The power spectral density of a real process x of t for positive frequencies is shown below. The values of expected value of x square t and mod expected value of x of t respectively is. The options are 6000 by pi, 0, 6400 by pi, 0, 6400 by pi, 20 by pi root 2. The last option is 6000 by pi, 20 by pi root 2. In the question he has given the power spectral density for the positive frequencies and he is asking what is the expected value of x square t and mod expected value of x of t. First of all, see this. He has given it is a real process x of t. Means what? For a real process x of t. How do you say real? Is equal to x star of t. Any signal which is real can be written in this form. Therefore, x of j omega is equal to x star of minus j omega. This is Fourier transform pair. X of t has x of j omega, x star of t has x star of minus j omega. Which means what? Mod x of j omega. I am taking mod on both sides. Is equal to mod. Magnitudes are also equal when two values are equal. Therefore, and x star of minus j omega and x of minus j omega both have same magnitude. Why? Because let us say a plus ib. What is the magnitude of this? Square root of a square plus b square. Similarly, what is a minus ib has? Magnitude square root of a square plus b square only. Therefore, this let us say r. This is what? R bar or R star. R and R bar has same magnitude. Therefore, mod x of j omega is equal to mod x of minus j omega. Which means what? The magnitude spectrum is symmetric. That is, whatever is present on right side will be present on the left side. Now, what has he given? He has given power spectral density Sx of omega. What is power spectral density? Sx of omega is mod x of j omega square. Whenever you want to find power spectral density, always find Fourier transform of the signal and mod of that signal of the Fourier transform square. That gives the power spectral density. Therefore, what is the power spectral density? Mod x of j omega you found whole square is nothing but mod x of minus j omega whole square. Means what? Whatever is present on the right side will be present on the left side. Therefore, he gave only for positive frequencies. For the negative frequencies, why he did not give? Because it looks exactly the same way. That is exactly the mirror image because it is symmetric. And we have all this. Okay. Now what has he asked? Expected value of x square t. That we will see first. What does expected value of x square t mean? It means the total power. It means the total power present in the signal. How do you calculate the total power when given power spectral density? The area under the power spectral density gives the total power. Therefore, power is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral from minus infinite to infinite s x of omega d omega. Right. Therefore, what is xx of omega? Integration. That is nothing but area. Area of this is how much? Triangle half of base into height. Base is how much? 11 minus 9. That is 2 into 10 power 3. Height is how much? 6. Plus there is a delta function. Area under the delta function is 1. Therefore 400 into 1. That is 400. The weight is 400. And this whole thing into 2 I'll write. Why? 2 into. Why? Because of this area also comes into picture. Total area under the power spectral density gives power. Therefore, this is equal to 12 into 10 power 3 plus 800. 12800. Therefore, this is 12800 by 2 pi. That is 6400 by pi. This is the total power. That is A or B. Now, the second part what he has, mod expected value of x of t. Mod expected value of x of t he is asking. What is expected value of x of t? That is mean. Mean can be also said as DC component. From the power spectral density, what do you see? Power spectral density is mod x of j omega square. That is mod x of j omega also. It indirectly gives. Therefore, from mod x of j omega square, what do we see here? At omega is equal to 0, the value is 0. Therefore, expected value of x of t is how much? 0. Or mod is also 0. That is, the mean is 0, the DC component is also 0. Therefore, B is the correct option.